In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the VSTACK function, which is available for Excel for Microsoft 365. And what the VSTACK formula does, it helps you stack or append arrays of similar sizes in terms of number of columns. And those arrays could be tables, it could be ranges. And in the case of arrays, I'm going to show you a trick on how to add the headers of a table as well. So we've got these data sets relating to sales 2022 all the way down to 2025, and the headers are exactly the same. The rows may be, for the number of rows for each of the years may be different, but the number of columns are the same and they relate to the same thing and they have same headers. So let's use the VSTACK formula to stack all these up into one data set. So we open up a VSTACK formula and we choose the first array, which is table 22 2022. Next one is going to be 23. Next one is 24. And finally 25. Next accept that formula. So great. So what it's done is it's stacked all of the data sets for 2022 to 2025 into one data set, and it's built the formula down. And the number of rows for the total for the VStack formula should match the total when you add them up from 2022 to 2025. But what it doesn't do is it doesn't show you the headers which relate to each of the columns of the data set. So the trick to do that is we go back to the VStack formula, open up some spaces in front of the first argument, grab one of the tables, and then copy again. And this is going to be the first argument of our 5 arguments. And then we open up a square bracket and we choose hash headers because the headers of each of these tables are exactly the same. So what that's going to do is it's going to grab the headers of the table and not the dataset, and then append the headers to the tables relating to 2022 all the way to 2025. Accept that formula. And now you've got the headers of the table as well as the stacked dataset. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for my next video.